Okay, hello, my name is Mary, English name. My Korean name is Myung-ha Seol. I am teaching English at BMT High School. Nice to meet you.
My name is Han-bin No, and I'm the school leader of this Malaysia training course.
Actually, a few years ago, I've been to Malacca to play golf. At the time, it was a very good experience. Yeah.
And what about you? Your first time? Your first time?
처음 왔냐고 그러지. 말레이시아.
Yes,
First time. Okay.
first time.
Thank you so much. So,
I made Putrajaya by using clay.
okay.
I improved my making skills and
Alright.
yes, and my English skill too.
Alright.
Yesterday, I showed to Malaysian GMI students my work Putrajaya Mosque. Of too many students came us, so it was hard to me, but we did our best, so I'm proud of.
You did great, and you actually won, right?
Yes,
Number one. That's good.
yes,
That's
yes, my group is
Wow,
best.
Congratulations.
At first, I was a little bit worried about their communicating skills with you English teachers here in Malaysia, because in my country, in Korean English classes, we don't speak English. We teach English in Korean. That's why I was a little bit worried about their communication with you teachers. But unlike my worries, they were. It was a little bit easy for them to understand your English, and then at first they were a little bit reluctant to express themselves, but as time goes by, they were a little bit skillful to communicate with you. So it was very, I think, efficient enough for them to improve their skills. Especially for the presentation session, they have to, in any way, they have to express themselves in English, and then they have to explain their own words in English. So that makes them to think hard about speaking in English, and actually they did very well, I think.
I remember playing football with GMI students.
Okay.
I was very upset because I lose the game.
How many times did you lose?
About three.
3 times.
Yes, 3 times. Fourth time was the very experience. Putrajaya Mosque.
You like that place so much. Why? Can you describe?
Because our group made Putrajaya Mosque,
Oh, okay.
so we visit in person. So I was very I was very happy because it is very beautiful place in Malaysia.
As for the English sessions, I think it is quite satisfactory because they improved their English skills through the chance to communicate with you. And the cultural experience cases, I think it was good, and I want some more chance to have those kind of experiences next year. Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Of course.
I,
GMI especially. GMI?
GMI.
Okay. Will you come back in the future?
I love our student mentors,
Oh, okay.
especially Hub.
Hub.
Hub is
Why Hub?
very popular
How is very popular.
in PNT students.
If he's still here, he's still around, I think, yeah, next time you're very much
Yes.
welcome to come here and then maybe
Yes.
experience the moment again, you know. If not, maybe in GMI, maybe you can go around visiting other places in Asia, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and what about you, Miss Mary? Would you come back?
I think I will definitely come back to Malaysia for the tour and for the golf. And if I come to Malaysia again, I think I will keep in touch with Ms. Yati,
Okay.
who takes care of us very well. So yeah,
Taken care of.
yeah, really. So thank you for everything you did for us, and those times will linger on my mind or on my students' mind, I
Thank
think.
you so much. We really
Mm.
appreciate that.
Uh-huh.
On behalf of the trainers,
Mhm.
mentors,
Mhm.
it was such a good place to have you guys stay throughout this workshop.
Mm.
Thank you so much for this.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.